The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Continuing now here in Pleasant View with our friends at Stutzman's. We have a new guest on the show today, new friend Willow. I don't think Willow's been on with us before.
No, she hasn't. In fact, she's new to us as a family.
Yeah.
And she's a 8-year-old girl, and Molly needs a little companion.
Of course.
And she's just been amazing.
Yeah. Well, Ben, thank you so much for being with us here today. Spring has sprung, and you guys thrive year-round, but especially this time of year, and you're having a really fun celebration this Saturday.
You know, the community here at Pleasant View every year goes together and cooperatively does a spring celebration, and it starts off on Saturday morning at the community center, which is just south of Pleasant View Retail Center, and free breakfast, pancakes and sausage. We're anticipating probably 1,000 people for that.
Wow.
And then there's about 18 businesses here in Pleasant View that everybody's going to have some kind of activities going on. There's even going to be an antique tractor pull.
Wow.
But here at Stutzman's, we've got registrations for kids and adults. And of course, everybody this time of the year, we're giving a free pack of pansies.
Yeah. But
the real highlight here at Stutzman's, from 9 to noon, we are doing tours through our production operation, and it is so cool. Some of the robot equipment that we do, and just the people seeing our process of production, because it's kind of like a little plant factory back there.
Yes, it is. Well, that's one thing I love about having you guys on the show, Ben, is we can really show people the behind the scenes, but for them to have the opportunity to come and look for themselves, it's so awesome. There's really nothing like it.
It really, you're so correct. And it, you know, we've got crews coming in, so the equipment's going to be going, and people to really see the thousands of square feet of greenhouse production.
Yes.
There's a lot going on, and we just love taking people behind the scenes and see where it really all begins.
Yeah, unbelievable. Ben, I know that you take such pride in what you do here at Stutzman's too, so having this celebration is as much for the people as it is for you guys.
We love what we do. I think it probably shows.
Yes.
But no, we have an amazing staff, and they love being a part of it, and to be able to show what goes on in the process before the plants ever get out to the garden centers.
Yes. Ben, do people need tickets for this event?
No tickets.
Wow.
Come as you are,
yeah,
and enjoy a wonderful day with your family.
Yeah. Remind people when, where it is, and how they can find more information.
Well, Stutzman's Pleasant View is just 5 miles southwest of Hutchinson on Highway 50. For more information, you can always go to stutzmans.com or go to questions@stutzmans.com, which puts you directly in touch with Jason, who does the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show.
Will Willow be here on Saturday?
Willow will be somewhere around here.
Okay. People have to come say hi to Willow. You can't see, but Molly she's staying close by.
Oh, she's staying close
down
too.
here. Ben, thank you for being with us today.
Love what you do for us.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
We love it too. More of the show coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Pleasant View Spring Celebration is this Saturday, and I'd like to invite everyone out for a fun-filled day in Pleasant View. Hi, this is Ben Miller. Stutzman's will be having refreshments, prize drawings for both kids and adults, plus everyone will receive a free pack of pansies. We will be giving tours of our production operation between 9 a.m. and noon, and we'll show you our new robotic transplanter. It's amazing. Visit us in Pleasant View and at all our garden centers, which are now open. Find us at stutzmans.com and like us on Facebook. Welcome to Spring 2025.